Geneva, round 3, and the pressure is exploding. Welcome to Times XP. Behind the closed doors, through whispered messages carried by mediators, the United States and Iran are talking again. But not directly, though. Not face to face. Every word is filtered, every sentence is calculated, and this time the stakes feel higher than ever. Well, at the center of all of this is a nuclear question. Can Iran continue enriching uranium, or must it scale back under strict limits? Well, that is the battle line right now. And once again, the city of Geneva has become the diplomatic battleground. Mediating these tense exchanges in Oman, the quiet middleman. Messages go from one room to another, from American official to Iranian negotiator, no handshakes. There is no joint statement, just indirect diplomacy. But outside the negotiation room, the rhetoric is anything but quiet. US President Mr. Donald Trump has revived a familiar warning here. No deal? Then military strikes remain an option. Now, this is a blunt message. One designed to pressure Tehran, one designed to show strength. And Iran, it is standing firm. Well, Tehran says uranium enrichment is its sovereign right. It is non-negotiable, not up for any sort of debate, and there is another red line. Iran refuses to discuss its ballistic missile program. Well, missiles that critics say can carry heavy payloads across long distances. Missiles that worry not just Washington but also Israel and the Gulf nation. Well, the American side is not hiding its frustration right now. Marco Rubio has openly warned that Iran's refusal to address its missile program is a major obstacle right now. In simple words, no missile talks, no easy deal, and that is the American position. Now, here is where it gets more intense. Iran is preparing a counter proposal. That's right, reports suggest that it has already been approved by Ali Khamenei himself. And in Iran's political system, that approval is crucial. Nothing major moves forward without the supreme leader's blessing, right? So, this is not just a negotiation draft, this is a signal. A signal that Tehran is serious, but only on its own terms. In the meantime, beyond Geneva, well, the region is tensed. Military deployments are rising, warships repositioned, air defense is activated and focuses on alert. Well, the shadow of Israel looms large in this equation because if diplomacy collapses, Israel has made clear in the past that it reserves the right to act alone against what it sees as nuclear threat. And that possibility hangs over every single discussion. So you know what is really happening inside these talks? Is Washington quietly urging Tehran to avoid escalation? Is Tehran testing how far it can push without triggering confrontation? Well, both the sides deny any sort of desperation here, but neither side wants war. War would mean regional chaos, oil shocks, global instability, and unpredictability with consequences. This is the paradox. Publicly, tough words. Privately, urgent diplomacy. Public threat, private calculation. Because if this third round fails, there may never be a fourth.